Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you about the chemical properties of alkanes. In this case, we are going to talk about the reactivity of alkanes. For your information, alkanes are non-reactive compound. Why? Because alkane is a saturated hydrocarbons where in their compound only single bonds exist between carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms, which giving only carbon-carbon bonds and carbon-hydrogen bonds in their molecule. Carbon and hydrogen atoms in alkanes got similar electronegativity, which making that bond between carbon and hydrogen atoms is non-polar molecules. Moreover, alkanes do not have unpaired electrons to show the reactivity towards acids or electrophiles. Next one, even though alkanes don't have functional group in their molecule, it can undergo two special chemical reactions with a condition you got the sunlight and also enough oxygen to do the reaction. For the first one, we know the reaction that can alkane form is halogenation, and the second one is combustion. Let's go to combustion first. When you do the combustion, you need the oxygen. But in this case, that oxygen can be in excess amount or limited amount. So please be careful when you read the question. When we talk about excess oxygen, it means that reaction is a complete combustion. While if the reaction use limited oxygen, it means that the reaction is incomplete combustion. So there will be difference when producing the products at the right side. If you take a look carefully here, you can see that in excess oxygen, the products form only carbon dioxide and water, CO2 and H2O. And next one, for limited oxygen, you can only form carbon monoxide and water. The difference only carbon monoxide for this case, for limited oxygen. So, the reaction still the same. The alkane reacted with oxygen, but once you do the chemical equation, at the end of it, you have to make it in balanced form. So please balance your equation. Next one, we go to halogenation. Halogenation is one of the chemical reactions that can be performed on alkanes. And halogenation is the name of reaction. The short form that I usually use is NOR. This is name of reaction. Then, in order for alkanes to perform halogenation reaction, it must undergo under a specific condition, which is ultraviolet light or in the presence of sunlight. This is because alkanes don't have functional group. So in order for it to do the reaction, it needs sunlight. This is because sunlight can provide energy for homolytic cleavage of halogen molecules to produce halogen free radicals. This is what we are going to focus in mechanism of free radical substitution. And next one, due to the name of reaction is halogenation, it means that we need halogen to make this reaction happen. The usual halogens that are being used are chlorine, Cl2, or bromine molecule, Br2. Why fluorine cannot be used or iodine? Because fluorine makes the reaction too rapid and can make the explosion, while iodine makes the reaction becomes too slow. So we cannot wait for a long time for the reaction to happen. So that's why only chlorine and bromine can be used. Next one, halogenation is the name of reaction that I use. However, if I ask you about type of reaction, if you still remember from the previous chapter, we talk about type of reaction. My short form is TOR. Type of reaction for this chemical reaction is free radical substitution reaction. And of course, we are going to learn the new things about mechanism. So what is mechanism? Mechanism is one of the reaction pathway to show how the free radical substitution happen between alkanes with selective halogen under conditioned sunlight in halogenation reaction. There are three steps of mechanism for free radical substitution. Step 1 is chain initiation step, step 2 chain propagation step, and step 3 chain termination step. You are going to learn about how to draw or illustrate this mechanism in the next video. So that's all for this video. I hope you understand about the chemical reaction that can happen for alkanes, where there are two of them. The first one is combustion and the second one is halogenation. Hope you can like, subscribe, and share this video with people around you. That's all from me. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.